Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox Unapproved third-party application or extensions detected error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So in this video, I'm going to show you different processes on how you can possibly fix this error. And the first one is by ending the anti-cheat processes. So Roblox error may stem from anti-cheat programs running in the background, especially if you play online like the Counter-Strike 2, Fortnite, or Valorant. So to do this, what you need to do is to firstly open your task manager, and do this by simply searching for the task manager in your start menu and then just simply click on it to open it. Then after that, just find and end anti-cheat programs. So to do this, look for the anti-cheat software such as the Riot Vanguard for Valorant. And then after that, just end any running anti-cheat processes. So to do that, just right click onto the anti-cheat software and then select the end task from the options. And then after that, you can prevent automatic startup. So in the task manager, just switch to the start apps or startup apps tab, and then just locate the anti-cheat software again and disable its auto start feature. So by carefully managing these background processes, you can potentially resolve Roblox errors related to third-party application detection. And then what you can do next is to restart your PC. So if ending the anti-cheat software doesn't fix the Roblox unapproved third-party application or the extension detected error, just try restarting your PC, so this can resolve temporary glitches affecting your Roblox. And then next, what you can do is to reinstall Roblox. So to do this, just go to your Windows settings and then go to the apps, and in the installed apps, just simply find and install Roblox. So again, to install, just click into the uninstall button that is available on your screen. And then that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do to possibly fix this error. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.